Hi. We're back. And we're an Iron Cat! Clearly. Let's get it on it. Soccer! Ooh. Green? Grandma! Hi, Grandma! Pick me up. Pick me up. Come on. She looks... No! The glasses is running away. The glasses is running away! Guys, I think I just glitched the glasses. I made the glasses, possessed. I'm gonna make me a treat. I love polka dot plate. I like mine crispy. I like mine crispy. Don't mind it. I only liked 8 of them anyway. Careful. Oh, let me get a hot dog. Yeah. Careful. Careful. Careful, Juju. Careful. Yes. About 67 minutes. Already? Okay. Ooh, that's crispy. Oh. Okay, I got my breakfast. Ooh, chicken leg. Actually, no. I'm not allowed to eat chicken nuggets. I mean, chicken legs. Hi, Graham. Tobo! Is that you, Tobo? Come on, Tobo. Let's play some WWE. Oh! Ah! Sorry, Tobo. You can go back home. You're going in the corner of shame. Man, you don't listen. Grandma doesn't care. I want to play some Fortnite. Grandma, you mind if I can play some Fortnite? Grandma, it won't let me play Fortnite. Pick me up. Boom. No! Put me down. Now pick me up. Pick me up! Grandma! No. Grandma, you keep putting me down. Please pick me up. Please, Grandma. Grandma! You keep messing with me, like actually. This is the last time. Pick me up. Freak you, Grandma. You keep messing with me. You keep testing my nerves. Grandma. Grandma. Grandma! She'll wake up. Ayo, chill! Yeah, like I said.
Jag blir hård på mig.
Money! Oh. I swear it was not me. Back up.
You've got to for me.
Shut up!
You've got to for me.
Oh, damn dog! Nah, keep playing with me. Keep playing with me. I play football, bro. I'm dipping. I play football. Ah, boy. Ah, boy. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna take her money. But you have to keep her eyes on her, or else she's gonna secretly wake up on you. Oh crap. Get it, get it, get it. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. No. Chill! Chill! Chill, chill, chill! Guys, what's up? My grandma almost killed me. My grandma almost killed me. Okay, guys. I love you. I play football, bro. I play football, bro. Keep playing with me. Now I'm gonna be generous. So where's the key at? What's the... I told you, where's the key? Yo, pick me up. Pick me up. Pick me up. Pick me up. I'm getting revenge, bro. I'm getting revenge. Nope. I'm getting revenge. Get yourself here, boy. Give me that. Put that in my mouth.
Hey!
Oh, boy. Take off that stupid hat you have on you. Oh, yeah. It's time to make you look like some shady back then. Yeah! 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 How you like that? How you like that? Ah! 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 Now, make one for it. Make one for it. Make one for it. Make one for it. You still mad at me? You still mad at me? Okay. I said you good, boy. Cat, fox, dog. Hey, yo, chill. Stop staring at me, bro. I said stop. Nah, boy. Nah, boy, you wanna stare? You got staring problems? You got staring problems? Huh? You got staring problems? I can explain. Call me Stone Cold for this one.
Huh?
Oh crap, he up. No, stop! Bro, second time is crazy. Okay, guys, as soon as I hit him with this axe, the video ends. Because I need to do other stuff. But at least the video was fun. Oh! Bro, his pants is made out of steel. Okay, guys. See you later. If I get... I don't even know what I was gonna say, but... if I get 30 views on this one, I might make another I Am Cat video. See ya.